Today I'm going to talk about my Kundalini awakening. I'm going to share every detail, everything I did to achieve it. But I'm warning you, having a Kundalini awakening goes hand in hand with having a spiritual awakening too. It is also the start of your healing journey, and your life is going to change. Everything that doesn't benefit this journey will exit your life. So if you don't want that, then don't try what I did. So let's get into it. My Kundalini awakening happened in 2014. Before I had this awakening, I never heard about Kundalini energy. I had no idea. I wasn't very much into spirituality, just a little bit. I was always interested in Buddhism. But I never heard of it before. And I knew about meditation. So the reason why I started meditation was because of my depression and anxiety. I suffered from almost all my life since I was young, since I was a teenager, because of some traumatic events that happened to me. And in 2013, I reached a point where I just didn't want to live like that anymore. I didn't want to be depressed anymore. I reached a point where I just was saying to myself, so no, I don't want to suffer anymore. This has to stop. And the thing that helped me to start my healing was meditation. I'm going to tell you exactly what kind of meditation I did in this video shortly. So meditation really helped me. In the beginning, it was very, very, very difficult. I couldn't even sit like straight like that. I had also issues with my spine. So it was very, very difficult in the beginning. But I noticed that it was really helping me. So I always felt better after meditation. A lot of the times I would just feel very depressed and stressed. I would come home from university and I just sat down to meditate and I would feel better. So as I said, I did not know anything about Kundalini, so I wasn't focusing on having a Kundalini awakening. I wasn't thinking about Kundalini energy or anything. So I had no idea. I only found out about it after I had the awakening and I did my research. So I would always meditate to the same kind of music. So my laptop was always in front of me and I would play the music loud in the room. The music was not a guided meditation. It was I just typed into YouTube Buddhist meditation 10 minutes. I got up to 30 minutes. So I was meditating every single day for 30 minutes. And in the end, I was always doing meditating to the same video, to the same music. Unfortunately, I don't know anymore what kind of video that was. I was looking for it, but I couldn't find it. But it was just like calm, relaxing music. No talking, no singing, no chanting, just calm music. So now I'm going to talk more about exactly what I did during meditation. So I would obviously close my eyes and I would just focus on the music and I would force myself to not think of anything. I think this was a very important part of it, to don't think of anything, just to quiet the mind totally, and by that to fully be present in a present moment. And I would just close my eyes. I would focus on not thinking of anything. And what would help me was the music, because the music would pull my focus into the present moment. So I focused fully on the music. And every time a thought would come to me, I would think of something, I would just return to focusing on the music again. So the key, I think, was to force myself to not think of anything, to focus on the music, which would pull me into the present moment, out of my thoughts. And I would do this, as I said, for 30 minutes every single day. I think I only skipped like a few days, but I would meditate every single day for half a year. And after about a half a year, it happened. So I was doing this meditation technique I was talking about. And during meditation, I would there would be this strong explosion of energy inside of my body, and the energy started to move inside of my body. I wasn't scared of it. It felt very natural and interesting. I loved it. After that awakening, after that explosion of energy, my life completely changed for the better. Since then, I heard that there are a lot of people that have a more negative experience, but for me, it was very smooth, very natural. I'm not saying nothing was difficult after the awakening, but I did not have any extreme symptoms. The only thing that was difficult was that everything started to come up, everything that I was suppressing, everything that needed healing would come up, and I needed to figure out how to heal myself. And this is what I was doing the last almost 10 years, figuring out how to heal myself, and I was very, very successful. I'm also ready to teach others. You can check out the link in the description below. Also, some very exciting changes started to happen after I gave birth to my son. I talked about this in more detail in another video. I will link it down in the description. I'm also going to make another Kundalini update video. I think I'm going to make them in the future to update you what kind of changes are happening, because lately, since I discovered the technique that I'm doing right now to heal myself, things are changing very quickly. I'm in the process of fully healing all my chakras. These two chakras are still a little bit, I can feel that the energy is not really wanting to flow into this area here at my neck and at my heart. I'm in the process of feeling that, but in the last few weeks, I was able to achieve that energy is also flowing more here. And I'm very happy about that, because this is the one that took me very long to get there. And I'm also talking in the other video about that I'm able to feel the energy also outside of my body, like about that much, about 10 centimeters outside of my body. So yeah, that was my Kundalini awakening story. So to sum it up, I think what helped to do it was first setting the intention that I wanted to stop suffering, really saying out loud to myself and really meaning it, that I've been there, done that. I don't care anymore. I just want to feel good. I don't care. I don't want to use things to make me feel good. I just want to feel good without using something, without relying on something outside of myself to make me happy. So I set the intention to, I don't want to suffer anymore. Then the second one is daily meditation for at least 30 minutes, or even more if you can do more. Just forcing yourself not to think about anything, uh, fully pulling your focus into the present moment. The thing that can help you and assist you to keep your focus in the present moment is music. I think it is better to listen to the music in the room, not in your ears. You can try it in your ears, but I think it is better to keep it outside of your. I think it is better to keep it like in front of you somewhere, because this will help you really to come into the present moment and not stay here in this area. Just to keep your focus somewhere else, not in the mind. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you had a Kundalini awakening too, it would be interesting to share it in the comments so others can read it too. I'm always very interested in other people's Kundalini awakening stories. And I'm going to keep you updated about the new things that are happening right now to me regarding Kundalini energy. And also I'm going to make more videos about astral projection. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.